San Luis Obispo County is making a lot of progress in the fight against COVID-19, and county leaders are also announcing big changes to people getting the vaccine and how they're going to get the vaccine. News Channel reporter Dave Alley is live in SLO to explain. Dave?
Now, Beth, numbers here continue to trend down in nearly every major COVID-related metric: case rate, active cases, positivity rate, hospitalizations, and so on. Now, at the same time, the vaccination efforts here are continuing to ramp up. Around 10,000 doses administered this week alone. But as mentioned, there are some big changes coming ahead here in the county in the very near future. Now, at today's weekly county COVID-19 press briefing, Public Health Officer Dr. Penny Borenstein revealing the county is moving to a lottery-based system for vaccination registration. Now, the move away from the current model that opens appointments weekly at 9 a.m. each Thursday for first doses. And it works basically on a first-come, first-served basis. Drew a lot of complaints from people due to supply and demand. Now, likely beginning next week, the new system goes into place and is being done ahead of the county's future migration to the state's appointment system in the coming couple of months. Dr. Borenstein saying a lottery system will address appointments in a very fair and equitable manner.
We will have X number of first appointments available. Whether you register the minute before we actually run the numbers, if you will, or you've registered 3 weeks ago, you will be available to be pulled by random electronically to get an appointment.
Now, another major announcement being made today: starting next week, workers in the education sector will begin to have limited access to vaccine. The county is going to allocate 10% of its vaccine supply for teachers, K through 12th grade, as well as child care providers. Employers will develop a priority system for workers when they will be able to receive the vaccine when it does become available. And another piece of significant news today, announced today as well. Now, since the county is currently under 14 cases per 100,000, right now it's at 9.4, youth and adult recreational sports can begin on Friday, and this applies to all sports for both kids and adults in schools, clubs, leagues, and other community programs. Again, that begins on Friday. That's the latest from here. Reporting live in San Luis Obispo County, I'm News Channel reporter Dave Alley.
Cheering already. Thank you, Dave. Great news.